Well, today we're unboxing a Ryobi 18-volt 1 HP. This is a brushless compact series. This is 2 for 1. You get a drill and you get an impact driver. They're both 18-volt. They're both compact. They're both brushless, and we're unboxing both. 30% size smaller, 23% weight reduction. So you got a size reduction and a weight reduction, and we're fixing to open this bad boy. I already had the drill. I took the drill back and come back with the combo. I did a video unboxing on the drill, and I have no idea what I did with it. But if you see it online, I'll eventually put it up. And if you don't, I never found it. But here we go. So when you open this sucker up, you're going to be looking right at the top. It's just that simple, folks. How simple of an unboxing is that? Nice box, I guess. You in the boxes. So let's turn it this way. Maybe you can see it. Look at that. You got your paperwork, your owner's manual, instructions, the whatnots, the what ifs, the things to do, the things not to do. There's your drill. Good looking drill too, by the way. It's got a light LED right down the front. You'll like that. Ah, look at that. Comes with a couple of bits. There is your charging head. What would make this kit even better if it had dual chargers? And it's separated by all this fine packing material here. Oh, look at that. There it is right there. There's your impact driver, folks. Let's get the remaining batteries out. You get two 18-volt batteries. Already plugged this up. Everything's looking good. Love it when they're freshly new. Upside down. Freshly new. Create words. Oh yeah. All right, so in the year 2020, that is, all right, for $139.99, you're going to get the two batteries. You're going to get the charging station. Here's your impact driver. Here's your drill. It's very light, but it feels, you know, it don't feel cheaply at all. So we'll put that right there so you can get all that in the shot maybe. And then of course you got this nice little bag. It's all brushless technology. You know, I had the drill, $40 more. It was worth it for me. I can't say that I'll use the impact driver a whole lot, but if I need it, I got it. Let's see if the battery got any juice in it. A little bit. Let's see if the drill's got any juice in it. A little bit. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Ryobi 1 HP Brushless kit from Home Depot. So Home Depot, if you're watching this and you sell any more, you can maybe send me something else. Like one of them.